this is obviously the true story around me getting my first job. So I started Capital Content like 2017, and I managed to get a couple of investor friends to be able to, have enough cash behind me to carry on for 3 months without any work, right? And I'd built a website, and it was kind of like day one, sat at the desk, right, now I need to kind of hustle for my first job. And what I'd done is I'd tried to get a few speaking gigs. I'd kind of built a presentation and stuff, and like I said, it was quite a scary time because I'd only got enough money in the bank to cover the next 3 months worth of bills. So I really needed to find the first job. And what I'd done is I'd actually gone to Norwich. This is so weird. I'd gone to Norwich to present to like 6 people on how to create a video content strategy, this whole network strategy thing that we do for Capco. And I was on the train on the way back from Norwich, and I was sitting there, there was no one else in the carriage. It was a fast train, so it was kind of like, lots of space, nice and comfy. I had a Stella, and I get this text message from a girl called Christy, who was a friend of a friend from years ago, and she's actually kind of like a producer or at the time, for this agency called The Corner London. And what she wanted was some behind the scenes footage and a video created of this mega photo shoot that they were doing up in town. And I was like, absolutely. I'd only been established like a couple of days, and already I got a call. And like I said, it was a friend of a friend, so it was it wasn't as if I'd sold it kind of thing, but it basically what I had like this moment, right? I was in a train, come back from a presentation that went really well. I got a phone call to say, here's your first job, which was great. Like the sun was setting, I had like a Stella in my hand, and it like I said, I had a bit of a moment. So it was obviously about things to come, right? We had loads of work and we grew and all that kind of stuff. But it was such a great feeling in that first week to be able to get the first job in that whole moment, that whole kind of, it all kind of went like slow motion kind of thing, like your first love kind of stuff. So that is the true story behind getting my first job.